Okay, so it's ready.
Oh, that's, I'm sorry.
So you just put this over here. You get this. This is hot, so
You gotta look at the camera, baby.
This is hot, so you gotta cool down. Okay, 5 minutes. Bye. Okay, so cool down, but yeah, we still need to get it. And then we just cut it like one. This is a one. So we cut it. So you just need to roll it, and then you just need to cut two down, then just, sorry. You just need to do this, and just squish it and squish, okay? And then you get cook down like 5 minutes. And then here, and then make another one. And then just do that and open it and do it, okay? So you do it. It's your turn, Daddy.
Oh, my turn.
You messing myself, Daddy.
Huh?
You messing myself.
I didn't mean to mess it up. Oh, it was hot. I got it. So I have to do it like this.
Only you need to squish it really hard.
Okay.
Now I'm doing another one. And now you cut it. I'm making some tea.
I get tea.
Something happened.
Right, a little.
Because Jimmy be careful. Okay, so it's my turn.